Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Ultraviolet bath given to Soviet kids, USSR 1980s. Crows are able to understand basic physics principles such as water displacement at a similar level to a 6-month-old baby. Elephant produces low frequency sounds through ground to communicate for really long distances, which they hear it with their sensitive foot. Mexico City is sinking underwater averagely 3 to 4 feet per year. Golden retrievers were originally bred as gun dogs to retrieve shot waterfowl during hunting and shooting parties, hence the name retriever. You will die sooner because of sleeplessness than starvation sleep even if you skip your diet. Some species of sharks have a spiracle that allows them to pull water into their respiratory system, while at rest most sharks have to keep swimming to pump water over their gills. France becomes first country in Europe to ban all 5 pesticides killing bees. Underground passages and caves are found in rocky landscapes across the world. They are found in areas with a lot of limestone, a common type of rock. It takes about a year to make one Rolex watch. Every watch is painstakingly made by hand in Switzerland. There are 1.1 billion smokers in the world today, according to the World Health Organization. If the trend continues, that number is expected to increase to 1.6 billion by the year 2025. On 23rd June 1867, Christopher Lantham Scholl's patent for typewriter. On 20 June 1877, first commercial telephone was started by Graham Bell. When a female giraffe is ready to give birth, she will often return to the spot where she was born to have her baby. On 18 June 1837, Spanish government accepted constitution. The average American adult uses only 37% of what they learned in high school. Nearly 60% of people said a course on money management and budgeting would have been more helpful, while 44% would have liked a class explaining how to file taxes. On 14 June 1775, American Army was established. Soteriophobia is the fear of being dependent on others or fear of losing control. On 10 June 1848, telegraph line was started between Chicago and New York. Getting less than 7 hours of sleep a night can lead to weight gain. Staying off of social media for just a week can increase your level of happiness, according to a study from the Happiness Research Institute. In 2017, a Dallas middle school held a breakfast with dads event. However, some students did not have fathers or father figures to bring, so one of the organizers posted on Facebook asking for about 50 volunteers. In the end, 600 men showed up to help. A microscopic handbag smaller than a grain of salt sells for over $63,000. As a birthday present, Christian Bale invited a 4-year-old boy named Jaden, who had been battling cancer, to spend a day at Disneyland with Batman. Despite what you may have heard, bar soap is not less sanitary than liquid soap. By switching a bar soap, you will save money and make less trips to the grocery store. Dogs get this behavior from their wild ancestors who did not have access to doggy beds. Walking in tight circles would push down tall grass and shape it into a bed. The motion would also scare off any bugs and snakes hiding in the vegetation. Studies have shown that when women have their period, their knee becomes 1.5 mm more elastic. During this phase, this is because their estrogen levels are highest and ligaments and tissues become more elastic. So be careful of pivoting sports during the menstrual period. How to tell when you are in a room with a two-way glass mirror? Place your fingernail against the surface. If there is a gap between it and its reflection, it's a regular mirror. If your fingernail directly touches the reflection, leave the room because it's a two-way mirror. When you eat or drink anything other than water, the pH level in the mouth drops, affecting the minerals in the teeth. When minerals are depleted, teeth are vulnerable to damage caused by bacteria. Brushing your teeth regularly helps keep mouth pH from dropping too low and reduces bacteria. Our body overreacts to certain triggers such as the sight of blood or extreme emotional distress. In some people, this overreaction triggers heart rate and blood pressure to drop suddenly, leading to reduced blood flow to the brain, causing them to briefly lose consciousness. Sears once offered mail order houses, also known as Sears catalog homes. From 1908 to 1942, customers could select a house from the catalog and Sears would ship all the necessary materials. Our retina has two layers. The second layer is made up of P and M cells. P cells focus on the color description and they analyze the data about texture and color. Four methods to check the health of your hair. Sync test. Follicle test. Tug test. Porosity test. Thanks for watching.